Hey everyone! Today I'm making a tiramisu cake. Instead of making this in a dish, I'm using a 6-inch mold and acetate to form a cake. Most recipes that do this use a sponge cake recipe, which is delicious too, but I wanted to stick with traditional ladyfingers. To get started, we're making ladyfingers from scratch, or in this case, lady discs. Add 3 eggs to your mixing bowl and 108 grams of sugar. Put it over a double boiler and warm it up until the sugar dissolves. Whisk it until tripled in size, thick and light in color like this. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla and a pinch of salt. Sift in 148 grams of flour and fold until combined. Don't overmix. Using a 6-inch mold, trace 3 circles on parchment paper. And flip it over so you do not eat the ink, because it will transfer. Add the ladyfinger batter to a piping bag. Now fill in each circle. Sprinkle with granulated sugar and bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 25 to 20 minutes. 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. It's okay if it's spread over the line a little, you can cut it off using the mold. Now on to the cream. Separate 4 eggs and add the yolks to a bowl with 50 grams of sugar. Warm it over a double boiler and keep whisking until the sugar is dissolved and it's a little thicker. Add 450 grams of mascarpone to your mascarpone, I don't know how you say this, to your mixer with the yolk mixture and whisk until combined. Clean the bowl and add the egg whites. Whisk until foamy, then slowly add 50 grams of sugar until stiff peaks. Fold into your cream mixture. And finally add 2 cups of cream to the bowl and whisk until stiff peaks. Add 1/8 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of vanilla. And fold that in. We need espresso, so I used 5 tablespoons of espresso powder and 1 1/4 cups of boiling water. I also like adding 2 tablespoons of coffee liqueur to the soak, which I thought I had some, but I didn't. Or traditionally Marsala wine is used, but this is optional. Put your mold on a cake board and wrap acetate inside. I only have a small roll, so I had to stack one piece on top of the other. Add your first ladyfinger disc to the bottom and liberally soak with the coffee mixture. Or you can soak it first like how you would traditionally. Add a layer of cream and repeat. You will have 3 ladyfinger layers and 3 cream layers. Smooth out the top layer the best you can and chill in the fridge overnight. The next day, dust cocoa powder before taking the acetate off so you don't get any on the sides. Carefully remove the mold and acetate. This is optional, but I smoothed the sides to make it look nice and beautiful. I added dollops of whipped cream on top, and mine didn't want to stick to the cocoa powder, so that was annoying. I added chocolate sprinkles on top too. Shaved chocolate would also be nice. This was a bit of an experiment for me to see if I can turn my regular tiramisu recipe into a cake rather than making it in a baking dish. And I'm really happy with how it came out. I hope you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching. Bye! Like and subscribe, please. This was for Feng's birthday. He didn't want you guys to know this.